Hola, today I'm going to show you how to download your Kajabi app. So you go to Play Store, either in any cell phone that you have any service. I have Samsung, and I'm just going to type there it is, Kajabi app for Android. I'm going to click there, and do you see there is a little blue square that says Kajabi? That's the one we need. When you open, of course, I already have the application linked to my email address. You will have to use, when you get this app, you will, when you download it, it will ask you to send a verification. You have to verify your email address. So when you do that, you use the same email address that you use when you purchased our Spanish at-home accelerator. When you do that, we'll send you an email. You click on that link that they send you, and then automatically it's gonna direct you to your application, okay? And then you will type exactly the same email and the same password. And then you will have access to all our information. Will have the workbooks, the Spanish classroom, which is on demand. It's already completely pre-recorded. And this is how you will see inside each category: the welcome aboard, the guidance for parents, how does the program work. This is the Spanish corner, the program which is inside of the classroom. This is mi rincón de español in different sections, right? One is for the ones who are transitioning, that means English and Spanish. Then you will have live classes. These are the live classes that we recorded last year in 2021. So they are here. If you want to use one or any of these classes, you are able to watch on the replay and just participate with your children. What else do we have here? This is usually the one that we need the most inside of our program. When we are doing our weekly classes, and you have to go to the pre-recorded classes, you click here, number 7, 12-month program, lessons by week, and you will see the full program, 12 months. We are starting October week 1, lesson 1, October week 1, lesson 2. Each week has 2 lessons, right? So you go and scroll down and it goes down to September. So it's from October to September. All the classes are in here. Okay, so that is how you use your application. On your phone, you can do it the same inside of your iPad or your kid's iPad. When you want to check the live classes, you click here. When you have your live classes, this is the wind down Wednesdays, which are the parents' meetings. I think I'm going to change this name. These are the calendars. Here are all the calendars for each month. Okay. Well, if you have any questions, let me know. Happy to help. This is the Spanish at Home Accelerator. Okie dokie. Uh-oh, battery dying. Thank you. I'll see you later.